Welcome back everyone, and we have another RTX 30 series, and I had actually purchased this about a month ago and I actually forgot that I got it. Let me actually zoom out a little bit so you guys can actually see this box opening. And it's the For the Win 3 Ultra, and I actually didn't buy this for mining. This is actually going to go in my secondary gaming rig, and I will install the hybrid kit on it. And that's just for the few of you guys that don't know about these ones. Let's take a look. This, I'm not sure if this is a limited hash. Actually, it will be because it is a TI. So if you're thinking about mining with it, I think the only thing you'll be able to really mine is Raven coin, because Ethereum is going to end pretty soon. So, but these are expensive. This was directly from the EVGA website. It was, I forget how much it was on $17.50 with tax and shipping and all that fun stuff. So let's get this expensive GPU out. Okay, and I love the EVGA boxes and everything. They're very, they're small and everything. They're compact. And the cards are the best. The EVGA cards are probably some of the best ones they are. If you guys haven't seen any of my other videos, I have the Zotac, and I have, oops, that kind of clipped off because this box is so big. And what else? I got the Zotacs. I did open up some Asus, some MSI ones, and there it is. Okay, let's see how big this is. Let's see what it comes with us for us. A retention bracket to some select chassis. Okay. Some cards. What else is in there? Okay, so this doesn't come with any wiring, but let's actually see how big this this box doesn't want to stay open. It wants to close. Okay, let's see how big this card is. Let's see how heavy it is too. Actually, this is quite massive. Let me actually... this card is a lot bigger than some of the other ones I've opened. This is actually a lot heavier. This is actually a lot heavier than the Zotac 3080 Ti. Do not enter without proper static. Safety equipment. Yes. We got that somewhere. And okay. Wow, this card is actually really big. 3 power plugs. Wow, this card is actually... I got a little bit worried there. I saw that bent and I was like, oh no. Well, it's not bent. Let's see if you guys can look at the... Let's see. Can we see the thermal pasting on it? It's not bad, but this is a behemoth of a card. This is actually heavier, like I said, than the 3090 Zotac that I have and the 3080 Ti. Oopsies. So these are all. So there is one HDMI port. I'm not gonna take off the plastics yet because I'm actually not going to use this card yet. This definitely will probably take up 3 slots. It's probably it probably only says 2.5, but it's definitely 3, especially since it's gonna have to breathe too. Like I said, I wouldn't mind with these just because the VRAM is running pretty hot. We've noticed that on other Zotac ones. The EVGA ones have been pretty good, but still, you can't push them too much unless you install the hybrid kit. Alright guys, let me know what you think. I'm going to install this, like I said, in my second gaming rig, and we're going to do some benchmarks. We're going to try to play Far Cry 6 with this. Because apparently, unless you're on a 3090, Far Cry 6 will crash you out if you're on Ultra and 4K. So, let's see how this does. Alright guys, let me know what you think, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.